Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change password on Facebook. It's pretty easy. So let's get right into the video. So once you have logged in into your Facebook account, head over to the hamburger menu, and if you scroll down, you can see these options: help with support, settings and privacy, and also from Meta. Head over to settings and privacy and tap on settings. Here you can see Meta Account Center. Just head over to it. Then in account settings, you can see our option password and security. Tap on it. Here you get an option to change your password, and there is change password. Click on it. And all you have to do is select the certain account you want to change password of, and just head over to that account, and Facebook will allow you to change that password. But before that, you must remember your current password, and before entering your new password, you just have to use your current password so that Facebook can know that it is you who is changing the password. And once you do it, you can change your password by giving it a new password, and yeah, by then you will get your password renewed. That's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned.